Hey, I'm Miss Angel May. Welcome to day 23 of me sharing poetry every day until my birthday. Today's piece is called Writing is Easier in Snowstorms. I can pretend my mind stopped racing and thank the freezing temperature. I feel no guilt calling my bed my best friend. Suddenly, I won't be the only one whose blankets equal safety. If my man lays beside me, then I know it's okay to dream. The warmth of our bodies reminding me we are indeed a team. And in this moment, I won't worry if I am enough. Instead, I make sure he knows that he's done enough. And we'll sigh in unison because the comfort of our union can't change that to be black in America is never enough. There's always something to be done. But I still say it's easier to write in snowstorms. I can pretend salt is enough to get ice off our streets, and warm food in my belly is enough to melt the cold feeling from around me. If only. Miss Angel May.